Every time you open your phone, you go to work. You post photos, write comments, record videos, and build the digital landscape we consume. But you do not own the stage. Massive technology platforms control the infrastructure, the algorithms, and the physical servers where your digital life resides. If a platform decides to delete your account, your audience, income stream, and content history can vanish instantly. When that connection snaps, the individual user has no structural recourse. While you generate the material, the platform extracts the profit. These companies package your personal data and your attention to sell them directly to advertisers. To exit these corporate systems, we have to look back at how we surrendered control and examine the new architecture being built to take it back. The networking age before the modern web was an exclusive environment. Computer communication was a closed system restricted to governments, military, and academic researchers. These early networks lacked graphical interfaces. Operating them required typing specific commands into a terminal, much like a specialist operating an old telephone switchboard. By the 1990s, the first public internet arrived. Web1 was a read-only environment. You could load a news site, but information moved one way, from company to consumer. The launch of Web2 around 2004 introduced interaction. To handle the massive influx of user-generated content, tech companies built colossal, sprawling physical infrastructure to constantly store and manage that data. While everyone gained a voice, digital property was consolidated. Every post became a data point stored on centralized server farms. The evolution from military mainframes to global social networks provided instant communication, but it required users to sacrifice their digital sovereignty. Web3 is a structural rebellion against those centralized server farms. It is a framework designed to bypass corporate middlemen and return control to the individual. This shift starts with how you identify yourself. Instead of logging in through a third-party corporate account, you use an independent crypto wallet that acts as your sovereign digital ID. Centralized servers are replaced by a blockchain, a public ledger distributed across thousands of computers. Inside, smart contracts execute automatically, allowing lending or trading without a bank employee. To move value, digital tokens flow peer-to-peer, independent of conventional banking systems. These tools are already in use. Decentralized finance allows users to earn interest directly. DAOs let communities vote on organizational changes, and NFTs serve as verifiable digital property deeds. These concepts are the foundational tools required to dismantle digital monopolies and establish true ownership. The history of the internet follows a three-stage progression. Web1 delivered information. Web2 delivered interaction. Web3 delivers ownership. In this emerging landscape, users hold direct stakes in the networks they build, functioning as both participants and investors. However, this level of control removes the safety net. Operating outside the traditional banking system means there is no customer service department to reverse a mistake, and the market is subject to extreme volatility. The landscape is currently filled with risks, ranging from smart contract hacks and scams to decentralized projects that are actually controlled by small, private teams. The rules are still being defined, and the risks remain significant. Even so, the era of renting our digital lives from big tech is ending, marking a permanent transition to an internet defined by user ownership.